Beautiful. Quite amazing. Best thing I've ever seen in my life. Never gonna financially recover from this though.
Hey everyone, welcome back to One Strange Adventure and welcome to part 2 of the Bunkhouse modification. Today we're going to be taking all the tape off, and I painted the bottom of the bunk. I finished coating all of the paint in the bunkhouse area, and well, at least the slide. We're only doing the slide for now. And we're going to be installing the new furniture and the bunk back in. So stick with us and we'll show you how we did it. All right, so right now what I'm doing is actually installing the, it's what the bunk actually sits on in the wall. And I'm gonna get these screws started so they're sticking out just a hair on the ends so that I know that they're going right back into the hole that they came out of. Delivery time! Delivery! That's going in our camper. You guys get to see what it is in just a few minutes.
We got, it's called the Alex collection at IKEA. Got this nice blue color to go in this nice white
Looks good against the white.
bunkhouse, so that Michaela can have extra drawers and we can have some drawers for, you know, school supplies and craft supplies and things like that while we're traveling. Step 1 of being able to go full time.
Music to my ears. So we've got the drawers almost done now, and we're getting them into position while Cindy finishes up the drawers, the actual pieces that slide into the cabinet base. And I have these, or one of these, I'm going to use on the back side of this, and what we'll do, it'll keep it from, you know, potentially tipping over as we go down the road. And then, of course, I'm just going to put it on one because the countertop should tie the two together. So hopefully we'll be good there.
Just finished the first cabinet. We stopped and took lunch, or dinner actually. Harold cut the countertop, and hopefully it all comes together soon. Yay!
Last thing for the night. Get the countertop or desktop on the cabinets.
Oh.
Oh wow, it looks really good, guys.
Ooh.
That looks awesome.
All right, well, guess what? We are done. We're done with the bunkhouse slide modification. And so what we did is we took the existing couch and we removed that. We put a fresh coat of paint on the inside, give it more of a residential feel. We will definitely be doing that to the rest of the bunkhouse at some point. But for now, we wanted to make sure we were painting it while we had all the furniture out and everything removed. Then we purchased some furniture from IKEA, and I will have those links below for both the drawers and the butcher countertop. We actually got that from IKEA as well. That is beautiful. The video doesn't do it justice. Seeing it in person is really nice. But yeah, we were able to cut that down to size. We did have to cut the countertop just a little bit because the bunkhouse is about 6 foot wide, and the countertop comes in like 6'3" or 6'4". But yeah, links for that will be below so that you can see exactly what we use. There's lots of different colors to choose from. We were originally going to do white cabinetry, but that was sold out. And I tell you what, I really like the blue on the white, so that came out really nice. I think it came out better than it would if we would have done all white cabinets or drawers down below the desk. But now we have more storage. My daughter has an additional dresser, and we have space for some of our work stuff, so that while we are on the road, we can make sure that we are prepared to be able to work. Like my wife said, you know, one step closer to being able to go full time at some point. That is the dream, but we'll see how far away we are from being able to do that. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this two-part series of modifying the bunkhouse, and we really appreciate you guys being here. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. If you really like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you really like the video, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell so that you're notified next time One Strange Adventure releases new content. And until the next strange adventure, keep making your own.